End of transmission.
All right, got a train on the way. Got a train on the way. Southbound train. Short train. Heading southbound. All right, guys, got another train on the way. Let's take a look, see what we got coming through here. St. Louis sub, heading eastbound. train. I think a part of that stone train was on there. I caught that gondola with Bob on it. So I think they hooked part of that train up, sent it back east. All right. Check you on the next video, guys. Looking for the DPU. I missed the beginning of this thing. Got some Costco on here, Chinese company, and one Japanese. Well, there he goes. All right, got another train on the way. Let's take a look. Northbounder set up here. Just in the nick of time. Set up, nice lash up on there. Stay tuned. CSX. eastbound with a little foreign power, BNSF. Here we go. Another loaded coal train rolled through last Sunday and rolling through Sunday here again, right around the same time. There he goes, into the yard. we go. Here we go, southbound. Dirty grainers. Short train. Said he had a solid yellow light. Solid yellow, and that was right after the stack train. Hopefully CSX will be picking up here soon. Their frequency has been going off like crazy, but I haven't seen anything yet. So hopefully we'll catch CSX through here. Usually after a little bit of this Canadian national traffic moves, CSX starts to move. All right, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, just beyond these intermodals here, we have the tags over here, hobo shoestring. I was wanting to see if he tagged anything. There's one of them right there, March of '94. 2 railroad tracks. And then here's the other tag right here. Those are his signature, those are his tracks. So that's his signature. That's his signature right there. So anytime you see those, you're gonna know that that's hobo. Just an interesting guy. But I was wanting to see if he tagged anything else. Doesn't look like it. Someone had put down here, missed you by a hair shoestring. Cool, so someone else has been down here as well. So, all right, I gotta check and see. I'm hearing horns, train horns. I gotta see if we got a train coming on the way here and get back across the yard. It doesn't look like he tagged anything else. I'll check these others out, but I don't think he did. That looks like that's probably on the CSX line over there. Anyways, it's pretty quiet out here today. It's been Memorial Day, so this is a good day to get over here and do this. Dan Painter will never be a track inspector. Be a moron. Oh my goodness. Tell you what, some creative people, that's for sure. All right. Yep, I didn't see anything else. Those were his tags though. That's pretty cool. Got some intermodals, coal cars. Mile marker 201 down here. This bridge has been here since '93. And I can remember as a kid when I was here, this just having, well, they didn't have this many tracks. The Illinois Central yard, it stopped, you know, a little bit farther up here, and then we just had two sticks, not even any crossing gates or anything, just the two railroad crossing sticks, and that's all there was back when it was Illinois Central. So Illinois Central Gulf. And then during that time too, Conrail was on the CSX line. So we're gonna check and see if we can catch some trains today. But I wanted to go down and get those two tags, the hobo shoestring tags, and get those filmed. So, all right. Stay tuned. I believe that, like I said, I believe that was CSX. It just came through, so hopefully we'll end up getting some Canadian National here within the hour. We might have something coming from the south. Yeah, 3282, he's coming in. There he goes. Thought I heard him. 3167 as well. We'll see if he comes up here and stops. The reason I say that is because we have a yellow light heading southbound. He appears to be off the main, and it is a manifest. I got some tankers, gondolas. Yeah, he's gonna come up and stop. In Cabrassa. Busy looking at the cars and not what I was filming, so it might have been off just a little bit on that zoom. See if we can jump back down there and see. Yep. He's gonna I'd be surprised if he goes all the way through. heard a detector. I must have heard the southbound detector. Oh, check out that. See that skeleton on the Incabrasa? Yeah, there he goes. Last car is it's like a brand new Incabrasa. Well, he wasn't real long. Yep, and he is going to stop, it looks like. All right, we're gonna check that next light. We may have one coming on the side of him, possibly. I'm gonna check that next light. Yep, he is stopped. Okay. I thought I heard him. So, all right, we will check back with the next train. He's heading northbound. We have a southbound train, and he is on the siding for sure. So, okay, we'll check it out here in just a minute, guys. Stay tuned.